Hi everyone. In today's masterclass, I'm going to show you how to use LinkedIn to land your dream job. Whether you are a fresh graduate or looking to switch career, this video will provide you with all the essential tips and tricks. So, let's get started. Introduction to LinkedIn. Let's understand what LinkedIn is. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform where you can connect with professionals from various industries, showcase your skills, and explore job opportunities. Think of it as your digital resume and networking tool combined, creating a strong profile. Your LinkedIn profile is your digital identity. Here's how to create a strong profile. Sign up. Go to linkedin.com or install app and sign up for an account. It's a straightforward process, but make sure to use a professional email address. Profile picture. Upload a professional profile picture. A clear, friendly headshot works best. Avoid selfies and casual photos. Aim for a clean background and natural lighting. Headline. Your headline should summarize your professional identity in a few words. For example, instead of student, use aspiring data analyst with a passion for machine learning. About section. Write a compelling summary about yourself. Highlight your skills, experiences, and what makes you unique. Mention your career goals and what you are looking for in your next opportunity. Experience. List your work experience in reverse chronological order. Use bullet points to describe your responsibilities and achievements. Education. Add your education details. Mention any relevant courses or certifications. Skills. Add skills related to your industry. LinkedIn allows you to showcase up to 50 skills. Be strategic and focus on those most relevant to your career goals. Recommendations. Request recommendations from colleagues, supervisors, or professors. A good recommendation can boost your credibility. Building your network. Let's talk about building your network. Your network is your net worth, especially on LinkedIn. Here are some tips to build your network. Connecting with people. Start by connecting with your classmates, colleagues, and professors. LinkedIn allows you to import contacts from your email address book. Personalize your connection requests with a brief message. Joining group. Join LinkedIn groups related to your industry and interests. Participating in groups can help you connect with like-minded professionals and stay updated on industry news. Engage in group discussions and connect with group members. Share your insights and ask thoughtful questions. This can help you establish yourself as a knowledgeable and engaged professional. Following companies and influencers. Follow companies you are interested in working for. This allows you to stay updated on their news and job openings. Follow industry influencers to stay updated with the latest trends and insights. Engaging with their content can also increase your visibility on the platform. Attending virtual events and webinars. Attend virtual events and webinars related to your industry. These events are great opportunities to learn and network. Connect with participants and speakers. Send personalized messages to build relationships and expand your network. Job search and application. LinkedIn has a powerful job search tool that can help you find opportunities tailored to your skills and interests. Here's how to make the most of them. Using LinkedIn job search. Use the LinkedIn job search tool to find job openings. You can filter results by location, industry, company size, and more. Set job alerts to get notified about new opportunities. Customize your alerts to receive relevant job postings directly in your inbox. Applying for jobs. Tailor your resume and cover letter for each application. Skills. Highlight the skills and experiences that are most relevant to the job. Apply directly through LinkedIn if possible. Some jobs have an easy apply option, which allows you to apply with your LinkedIn profile and a few clicks. Following up. After applying, follow up with a message to the recruiter or hiring manager. Express your interest and briefly mention why you are a good fit for the role. Keep your follow-up messages concise and professional. Timing is crucial. Wait about a week after applying before following up. Engaging with content. Engaging with content on LinkedIn can help you get noticed. Here's what you can do. Sharing content. Share articles, updates, and insights related to your field. Consistent sharing demonstrates your knowledge and keeps your network engaged. Write posts and articles to showcase your knowledge. Commenting and interacting. Comment on posts from your connections and industry leaders. Thoughtful comments can spark meaningful conversations and help you connect with others. Like and share content that resonates with you. Engaging with content can increase your visibility and help you build relationships. Creating videos and slide decks. Use LinkedIn's video and presentation features to share visual content. Videos and slide decks can make your content more engaging and easier to digest. Publishing articles. LinkedIn has a publishing platform where you can write and share long-form articles. Use this feature to share in-depth insights and establish yourself as a thought leader in your field. Leveraging LinkedIn features. Let's explore some advanced LinkedIn features. LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning offers a wide range of courses on various topics. Take advantage of these courses to upskill and stay competitive in your field. Share your course completions and new skills on your profile to showcase your commitment to continuous learning. LinkedIn Premium. LinkedIn Premium offers additional features like advanced search filters and insights into who's viewed your profile. Consider investing in LinkedIn Premium if you are actively job hunting or looking to expand your network. Open to Work badge. Use the Open to Work badge to let recruiters know you are open to new opportunities. You can customize your settings to specify the types of roles you are interested in. This feature increases your visibility to recruiters and can help you get noticed for relevant job openings. That's it for today's LinkedIn Masterclass. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, LinkedIn is a powerful tool when used correctly. Take the time to optimize your profile, build your network, and engage with valuable content. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more career-related tips and tricks. Thanks for giving your valuable time.